Why are mortgage rates so finicky right now? With the inflation reports, it's no wonder why mortgage rates are so finicky lately and breaking the rules. Hi, I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty. Let's remember, inflation is the key reason that rates are as high as they are right now. In theory, if inflation falls back, the mortgage rates should follow. However, with the latest consumer price index reports, inflation was up again at 3.2% in July, slightly higher than in June. This has caused rates to take a jump in recent weeks. According to Realtor.com, mortgage rates have been hovering back and forth in the 6-7% range for the past several months, with the most recent forecast predicting the average 30 years fixed rate to close out the year at around 6.6%. Most experts are predicting a bumpy road for the remainder of the year and beginning of 2024. But let's remember, rather than worry about mortgage rates as a buyer, focus on what you can control. There are still plenty of options available when shopping for a loan. Reach out to me so I can help you strategize your next move. Daniela Duta here. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Don't forget to follow me for some more tips on Daniela Realty. See you next time.